The normal tools required for installation are long screwdriver, high tensile cutter, measuring tape, plus C-plier and wrench, etc. The fixing accessories include galvanized C, box and U-clips with nuts and bolts. The demonstration will involve fixing a 750 mm diameter razor concertina coil with 8 horizontal razor wire strands. It should be remembered that the holes should be drilled on the arms of the fence post, which are parallel to the wall. Razor strands are to be fixed under tension by box clip nut bolt arrangement so that there is no slippage and the wires retain the tension. These razor wire and concertina coils come in eco-friendly Hessian jute packing. We will show here the method of joining two razor wire bundles and concertina coils to make the fence a continuous one and prevent strength loss at joints. The jute packing of the concertina and razor coils is opened up and coil is stretched to open up the individual turns of the concertina, which are meshed into one another for ease of erection. Now we will similarly open up the second coil as shown here and join the last turn of one coil with the first turn of the second coil by J-clipping at 3 points at the bottom, middle and at the top. Similarly, each RBT roll of 100 meter can be opened up and joined to the other coil by minimum 3 U-clippings at each joint as shown here. The razor wire lines are initially fixed by box clip nut bolt arrangement. In this demo, we will erect 3 razor wire lines on each arm of the V portion with 2 lines on the vertical straight arm at the base. At the initiation post, the razor wire line should be wound around the fence post, twisted and finally clipped with U-clips. The other end should be similarly fixed under taut condition and thereafter the line fixed at all intermediate fence posts by box clip nut bolt arrangement. This will ensure that each line of razor wire is in taut condition and cannot be displaced easily. In a similar manner, all balanced 7 lines of razor wire should be similarly installed so that all 8 lines of razor wire are fixed under tension by box clipping arrangement in taut condition. The razor concertina coil, which is placed along the wall, is stretched to 7 meters per coil and thereafter lifted up and placed in between the V portion of the fence posts. At their initiation point, the first turn of the concertina coil is rigidly fixed to the horizontal strands by U-clips so that there is no slippage. At every 1 meter interval from the starting point, the coil should be C-clipped as shown here with the horizontal razor wire lines. This C-clipping ensures that the coil remains intact in position under taut condition. Even in case of forced tampering to displace the fence, this C-clipping will ensure that the coil offers the best deterrence and resistance and will not be displaced from its position.